So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your BigCommerce account. So the first thing you need to do is to log into that same account. After that you can see some options like your account through here, so you can log out through there. You can also go to the left to seeing home, order, analytics, apps, channels, as well as settings. But on settings it's more about setting up your store, not really that much about your account setup. For that, you will need to go to here. You can see trial plan store, manage store account, or switch account. So let's manage the store's account. From here, you can see the stuff like the account that's linked to the store. You can see the store, you can create a new one. You can see the service status on here. So on here, if you wish to remove that store, you can click through here and you can see the upgrade option. You can see the store history, details, so current domain. You can change through here as well. You can see permanent address, control panel. If your cancellation of your store is not appearing, and if you have a paid version, it should, and alongside your store is going to shut down your account as well. If that's not working out through there, I suggest you go back to your control panel and just go to here, go to live chat, and you can just accept the terms of privacy policy, and on there just chat with it and say I want to delete this account and try with them to solve this issue. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.